Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove read only on Google Sheets so you can edit the file. So in here, you need to open the Google Sheets app first. So tap on Sheets in here. Okay, so after you open the Google Sheets, what you need to do is click on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Then tap on settings, and here you need to clear the documents cache. Click on the clear cache, click on OK. So after you clearing the cache, hopefully the problem is now fixed, and now you can edit the Google Sheets file that is previously read only. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.